the top 7 design trends you should use in your home. Prioritize wellness. A recent trend in interior design is wellness. Post-COVID, wellness is given more significance, and people have begun implementing it into the design of their homes as well. A wellness-focused home environment can help you lead a calm, thoughtful, and slow-paced life. Sustainable choices. Homeowners have begun incorporating environmentally friendly and sustainable materials into their interior design. They are more concerned with learning about the product's manufacturing and sourcing processes. Private kitchens. Homeowners prefer closed-off kitchens to open ones that can be seen from the rest of the house. Modern soft design. There is an increasing desire for soft modern designs with contrast, since it imparts a calming and cozy sense. Increase natural lighting. As we learn more about how using natural components can improve human functioning, more of them are being included into home designs. The contemporary tendency is to increase the amount of natural light pouring in through huge windows and white reflective surfaces. Fresh color schemes. Homeowners are experimenting with a variety of color schemes, ranging from natural, subdued tones to vibrant, thrilling tones. With distinctive and unusual color combinations, one can actually anticipate the unexpected. Innovative accessories. To maximize space utilization while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic, homeowners are using a variety of accessories. Do not forget that each component should have a significance and a purpose, as we don't want to overcrowd our home. Beth Living products transform your home into a fresh, modern-looking one, giving your home a contemporary decor.